what's going on. So it's been a while, but I want to make this a quick, short one. Long story short, went off-roading, messed my alignment all up, pushed the bumper up into the side over here, messed some things up under there. So I bought a new bumper and it's on its way. Well, it's being built, should be being built soon, but Warfab's gonna hook it up. And I had to fix some things over here, broke the clips behind there. You can see the fender flare's still a little messed up. But in turn, I knocked my alignment all out. So it is fixed now, but steering wheel was off. Couldn't for the life of me find online how to fix the steering wheel if it's off center. But before you go saying anything, the tie rods were equal on both sides. The shop, been doing it for 40 years. He's built all kinds of things. He's a family friend and he tried everything he could without tearing into it and charging me a bunch of money and hours and time. So I came home to try to do it myself. So you can see the steering shaft down there. Tried that spot there, that does not budge. It's easy to get to because you can just take the rubber off of the fender well right there. And then I climbed under the dash. So this will show you how easy it is to fix it. So you can see this black cover right there with those little plastic nuts. You just unscrew those finger tight. There's 4 of them. There's one underneath the carpet over there. Take that little cover off, that bolt right there. Loosen that off. That is a 12 millimeter. And then it's preferred that you drive in or park wherever you are where the car drives down the road straight. Then come in and do this, but you can be the judge of that, kind of get an eyeball, because there's a little bit of wiggle room in the steering wheel that I found. So it doesn't have to be perfect in my world, but some people may be different. So take that nut off and then just get a pry bar or a short pry bar or something inside of that back part of this. Just to open it enough. Let's see if I can get my hand up in there. This part right here where my finger is. Just pry that open a little bit. Not much. You're not going to get much of it anyway. It's pretty thick steel. So just pry it up enough where the shaft will spin when you put the wheel straight. So once you put the wheel straight, tighten it all back up, put it back on, put this back on, your steering wheel is straight. So I'll put a picture up there of what my steering wheel looked like before, but we'll straighten the wheels out. That's pretty close to where it is going down the road. And then steering wheel is now pretty close to straight. I'm not a perfectionist on this stuff because I know I take it off road, it's gonna happen again, but I really can't stand when the wheel's sitting like this. It just messes me all up. So it is good to go, but there's a little tidbit for you how to fix your steering wheel if it's off. And it takes like 5 minutes, honestly, to do it. It's helpful if you have 2 hands. Somebody can straighten the wheel while you tighten the nut and keep it tight. But other than that, that's it. Stay safe, guys. We'll see you around.